Ever tried explaining your product to someone and halfway through their eyes glaze over? That happens because most product descriptions are confusing, overloaded with features, and missing the clear benefit people actually care about. Here is the shocking part. Nielsen Norman Group found that users only read about 20% of the words on a page. If your copy is not clear and engaging, your audience will simply scroll away. The solution is explainer copy that's short, human, and crystal clear. And with AI, you can write it in minutes without staring at a blank screen. Let's walk through 4 steps to create explainer copy that actually connects. Step 1. Lead with the problem. People need to know right away why your product exists. Example, instead of saying we built an app with advanced tracking, say tired of wasting hours guessing where your money goes? Step 2. Show the simple solution. Make your product feel like the natural answer to their problem. Example, our tool automatically tracks your spending and gives you instant reports. Step 3. Highlight the main benefit. One benefit matters more than all the features. Ask yourself, what's the biggest win my customer gets? Example, save 5 hours every week and finally feel in control of your money. Step 4. Use easy-to-scan structure. Short sentences, clear sections, bullet points or numbered steps. This makes your copy readable and sticky even for fast scrollers. Here's the shortcut if you don't know where to start or don't want to overthink. AI Creator Max has 100+ premium templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails, all built on proven marketing psychology like ADA, PASS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and you're done. Helps you write content 10x faster. Try it free. Link below. Bonus pro tip. Use examples in your explainer copy. When people can picture themselves using your product, they understand it faster and are more likely to trust it. Here's the big takeaway. Your product might be amazing, but if your copy is unclear, people will never see its true value. With AI, you can write explainer copy that feels simple, human, and persuasive in just minutes. This video is part of a playlist that shows you how to use AI to write smarter, high-converting copy for your business. Keep watching to build a complete marketing system that works for you. If this helped, hit like so more people can find it, subscribe so you never miss the next lesson, and comment with what product or service you want to explain better. And when you're ready to create explainer copy in minutes, go to AICreatorMax.com and start creating smarter today.